Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 10 from paper June 2022, Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. Question number 5 is show a sketch of the curve C with the equation y equals to 2 over 7x cubed plus 1 over 7x squared minus 5 over 2x plus k. Find dy by dx, where k is a constant. Okay, let's take its derivative. So, derivative of a function 2 over 7, write down the power and then subtract 1 from the power. Multiply coefficient with the power and subtract 1 from the power. Derivative of x is 1, so minus 5 over 2, and plus kk is a constant, so derivative of constant is 0. Simplify it. 6 over 7 x squared plus 2 over 7x minus 5 over 2. So this is the derivative of the function dy by dx. Right. A part is done. B part is the line L shown in figure 5 is the normal to C. So this line is normal to C at A with x coordinate minus 7 over 2. So here the x coordinate is minus 7 over 2 at A. If I wanted to get to know what is the derivative or the gradient at x equals to minus 7 over 2 at A is. Let's find the gradient here. So 6 over 7 into minus 7 over 2 plus 2 over 7 into minus 7 over 2 and minus 5 over 2. So this is 49 and 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28 and minus 1 minus 5 over 2. Let's use a calculator. 49 times 6 is 294. So 294 over 28 and minus 1 minus 5 over 2 is 7. So the gradient at x equals to minus 7 over 2, which is A, is 7. Alright. Because this L is normal at A, but in the next section it says that given that L is also a tangent to C at point B. So the same line is tangent at B. And I don't know what is B here. Show that x coordinate of the point B is solution of the equation. So I have to form this equation. To form this equation, I know this is tangent and tangent is perpendicular to normal. So the gradient for tangent, which is perpendicular to normal, is minus 1 over 7. Right? So I know the gradient is 6 over 7x squared plus 2 over 7x minus 5 over 2. This is the gradient of L. And gradient of L at, because this line is perpendicular, so the gradient here is minus 1 over 7 at minus 7 over 2 at this point. Okay. So the gradient here is minus 1 over 7 equals to 6 over 7 x squared minus 5 over 2. Right. Okay, let's solve it, because here is 2, here is 7. Make equivalent fraction here. To solve it, times it by 2. No, I need to times this by 7. Wait a moment. Let me erase it, because LCM here is 14. Okay. So times this by 7 and this by 2. So negative 2 over 14, 12 over 14, and 4 over 14, and 35 over 14. Right? So the denominator is 14, so I can get rid of a denominator because it's 14 on both sides. So I can write it as, and this is x, 4x minus 35. Collect like terms. Right? This is the equation. We need to show that 12x squared plus 4x minus 33 equals to 0. Okay. Hence, find the x coordinate of B. So I have to solve for x. To solve for x, we can factorize or you can use the quadratic formula. If I factorize it here, so the product here is 33 times 12 is 396. So the product here is minus 396 and the sum here is plus 4. Right? So the factors would be 12x squared plus 22x minus 18x minus 33 equals to 0. I can take 2 common. I can take 2x common. Negative, and here I can take 3 common and 11 plus 11. 6x plus 11, and I have another factor is 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Now let's check what is x at B. B is positive, so x coordinate is positive at B. So I will take here 2x minus 3 equals to 0 and x equals to 3 over 2. Right? So this is done. Now let's move on to the D part. Find the value of k. Okay, in the D part it says that given that the y-intercept of L is minus 1, so find the value of k. Y-intercept, let's solve D part here. Y-intercept, we know that equation of a straight line is y equals to mx plus c, where c is the y-intercept. All right, and the gradient is minus 1 over 7x, and c is minus 1. So minus 1 over 7x minus 1. At x equals 2, let's find out the y value at x equals to 3 over 2, because we just got the x value at A, at B. Negative, and that is 14 minus 1, and this is negative 17 over 14. Right? So y is minus 17 over 14. I have to find the value of k, and k is here. So what I do, I will replace x and y value in this equation of a curve and get k. Let's copy down the equation here. So y equals to 2 over 7x cubed plus 1 over 7x squared minus 5 over 2 x plus k. This is the equation of a curve. Right? I've copied it from above. So I am going to replace x and y. So y we just got it minus 17 over 14 and x is 3 over 2. I substituted x as 3 over 2 and y minus 7 over 14. Use your calculator here. So 2 over 7 into 3 raised to power 3 is 27 and 2 raised to power 3 is 8 and that is 27 over 28 plus 1 over 7 times 3 raised to power 2 is 9. I'm using a calculator. And 2 raised to power 2 is 4. And this is 9 over 28. Minus 5 times 3 is 15 over 4 plus k. Okay. Let's solve plus 27 over 28 minus 15 over 4 and that is negative 69 over 28 plus k. And if I'll bring it to the other side, so this would be negative 17 over 14 plus 69 over 28 and that is 5 over 4. So k is 5 over 4. This was question number 10 from paper June 2022, Pearson Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful and feel more confident tackling similar problems. If you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AYS Maths channel. Thank you.